it's me again. I'll spare you the details of what was just another terrible shift. I'm home now and I'm trying desperately to decompress. So instead I'll just tell you what's on the docket for today. If you've watched my videos for a long time, and granted there was a very long gap in between videos, but you may have seen my friend Josh in my vlogs before, we are going on a hike today. We haven't seen each other in person in at least over a year now. So he's coming to pick me up for that at 2:15 because he has a location in mind and I don't know where it is. He said it might involve some bushwhacking, as he put it. Not fully sure what that entails, but I am excited. But before that, I need to have some lunch and change and just chill out a little bit. I wanted to do like a fun... You can't see the outfit unless I come over here, but...
Josh, say hi. Hello.
Alright.
That is the cutest dog. He's very cute.
I love him.
She's very little.
Perfect. Eternally tiny. I know, Laura. Me too. She does look like a Beanie Baby.
I liked the name Callie, and Andrew liked going with the Hindu spelling because it's the goddess of death and destruction.
Oh, right. I forgot about that.
Because she looks like that. She doesn't live up to her name.
Gosh, that's so funny. Obviously the lighting isn't great at this hour, but my hair's still wet from hiking in the rain. It's just barely 10 p.m., but I am exhausted and I'm going to go to bed after I eat a brownie. Good night, friends. I'll see you tomorrow.